there! Happy 100th day of school! Okay, I thought it'd be fun if we read a book called 100 Days of School by Trudy Harris, illustrations by Beth Johnson. So, before we get started, I want you to make a prediction on what you think is going to happen in this story. What do you think is going to go on? Use the title and the cover to make the best possible prediction. Alright, if you need a little bit more time, just go ahead and pause the video. But I'm going to read the back to you. How many ways are there to count to 100? A little or a lot? Lots. The funny rhymes in this book will show you some different ways to count to 100 with a clown's nose and piggy toes and other groups of things. It all adds up to fun ways to learn about 100. So what are some ways that we can count to 100? Let's think real quick. Can we count animals? Can we count insects? Can we count toes? Can we count noses? Can we count letters? Sure, there's so many ways to count. And this book is so great because it helps us count to 100. All right? So let's go ahead and get started. 100 Days of School by Trudy Harris. 100 Days of School. Look at all of this. You're to start right here and keep going. We'd get to 100. How about we do this? How about we skip count by tens to 100? Give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, let's get started. 100 Days of School by Trudy Harris, art by Beth Johnson. If you go to school for 95 days and then go 5 more days, what do you get? Smarter and smarter. And what do you think? What do you think is going to happen on the next page? Let's read to find out. How cool 100 Days of School. If 10 tired children all take off their shoes, what do you get? Lots of bare feet. And what do you think? I suppose 100 toes. If you find a tiny bug with 50 legs on one side and 50 on the other, what do you get? 100 legs. And what do you think? Yes, indeed, a centipede. Okay, so far, is there some adding going on in this book? Yeah. All right. If 20 children each drop 5 papers on the floor, what do you get? What do you get? 100 papers. And what do you think? I would guess an awful mess, right? If you had 100 papers on the floor, you're going to have a huge mess. If you eat 10 salty peanuts If you eat 10 salty peanuts every minute for 10 minutes, what do you get? What do you get? 100 peanuts. And big mistake, a tummy ache. Oh gosh. Would you get a tummy ache if you ate 100 peanuts? Probably. If 99 dots are on a clown's suit, what do you get? 100 polka dots. Wait, how do you get 100 polka dots if you have 99 dots? 99, 100? Something sounds confusing. Let's keep reading. So, 100 polka dots, those on his clothes, plus 1 on his nose. So, 99 plus the 1 on his nose. If 25 bees fly out of a hive, then 25 more, and 25 more, and 25 more, what do you get? What do you get? How many bees? 50 bees, 60 bees, 100 bees, and no surprise, some exercise. Why would you get exercise? Because you'd be running super fast away from those bees so you wouldn't get stung, right? If you put 10 candles on a birthday cake and then add 90 more, what do you get? So 10 plus 90 equals 100 candles. And with all those, a fire hose. Why would you get a fire hose? What do you think? Well, if you had 100 candles, that's a lot, right? And they're all lit. You're going to need a fire hose just in case. If every day you save 1 penny for 100 days, what do you get? What do you get? 10 pennies, 20 pennies, 100 pennies. Or, better still, $1 bill. Did you know 100 pennies equals $1 bill? Equals a $1 bill? Awesome. If you pick 75 blackberries and your mom picks 25 more, what do you get? So you pick 75 blackberries and your mom picks 25 more. Put those two together, what do you think you're going to get? 100 berries. And, oh my, blackberry pie. Give me a thumbs up if you ever had a blackberry pie. Look right here. For my teacher. All right. If a train goes by with 99 cars and then 1 red caboose, what do you get? What do you get? So 99 cars and 1 red caboose. 99 plus 1 equals 100 cars. And, my friend, the end. All right. I hope you enjoyed this little story. Let's go ahead and count. Let's count by tens one more time, all the way to 100. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, I hope you enjoyed this book, 100 Days of School. And on the next slide, I'm going to ask you a question. I'm going to ask you to think about different ways you can count to 100. There are some examples. You can count bees, you can count berries, you can count bugs. And so on the next slide, I'm going to have you think about it. What are some things that you can count? What are some things that you can count to 100? All right? I hope you have a good rest of your 100th day of school.